Lo hice ayer. I made it yesterday. I made it yesterday. Lo hice. I made it ayer. Yesterday. I made it yesterday. Lo hice ayer. Se mostrará en tu cuenta. It will show in your account. It will show in your account. Se mostrará. It will show in your cuenta. Account. It will show in your account. Se mostrará en tu cuenta. Necesitamos permiso. We need permission. We need permission. Necesitamos. We need permiso. Permission. We need permission. Dóblalo así. Fold it like this. Fold it like this. Dóblalo. Fold it así. Like this. Fold it like this. Dóblalo así. Tenemos una sorpresa. We have a surprise. We have a surprise. Tenemos. We have una sorpresa. A surprise. Tenemos una sorpresa. We have a surprise. Ponlo aquí. Put it here. Put it here. Ponlo. Put it aquí. Here. Ponlo aquí. Put it here. Voy a cocinar. I will cook. I will cook. Voy a. I will. Cocinar. Cook. I will cook. Voy a cocinar. Siéntate con ellos. Sit with them. Sit with them. Siéntate. Sit con ellos. With them. Sit with them. Siéntate con ellos. Compra algunas bebidas. Buy some drinks. Buy some drinks. Compra. Buy. Algunas. Some. Bebidas. Drinks. Buy some drinks. Compra algunas bebidas. Buy some drinks. He limpiado. I have cleaned. I have cleaned. I have limpiado. Cleaned. I have cleaned. He limpiado. Esto es tuyo. This is yours. This is yours. Esto, this, es tuyo. Is yours. Esto es tuyo. This is yours. Entiendo bien. I understand well. I understand well. Entiendo. I understand. Bien. Well. I understand well. Esto es el límite. This is the limit. This is the limit. Esto es. This is. El límite. The limit. This is the limit. Estamos sorprendidos. We are surprised. We are surprised. Estamos. We are sorprendidos. Surprised. Estamos sorprendidos. We are surprised. Siento algo aquí. I feel something here. I feel something here. Siento. I feel algo. Something. Aquí. Here. I feel something here. Siento algo aquí. I feel something here. La comida está lista. The food is ready. The food is ready. La comida, the food, está lista. Is ready. The food is ready. Debemos irnos. We must go. We must go. Debemos. We must. Irnos. Go. Debemos irnos. We must go. Invita a tus amigos. Invite your friends. Invite your friends. Invita. Invite. A tus. Your. Amigos. Friends. Invite your friends. Invita a tus amigos. Por favor, entre. Please enter. Please enter. Por favor, please entre. Enter. Please enter. ¿Te sientes mejor? You feel better? You feel better? ¿Te sientes? You feel mejor? Better? Se está pudriendo. It's rotting. It's rotting. Se está. It's pudriendo. Rotting. Se está pudriendo. It's rotting. Dolerá un poco. It will hurt a little. It will hurt a little. Dolerá. It will hurt un poco. A little. It will hurt a little. Parece sucio. It seems dirty. It seems dirty. Parece. It seems sucio. Dirty. Parece sucio. It seems dirty. Disfrutaré del sol hoy. I will enjoy the sun today. I will enjoy the sun today. Disfrutaré. I will enjoy del, the, sol, sun, hoy, today. I will enjoy the sun today. Disfrutaré del sol hoy. I will enjoy the sun today. Ella es mi amiga. She is my friend. She is my friend. Ella es. She is mi amiga. My friend. Ella es mi amiga. She is my friend. Lo haces bien. You do it well. You do it well. Lo haces. You do it bien. Well. Lo haces bien. You do it well. Ven el sábado. Come Saturday. Come Saturday. Ven. Come el sábado. Saturday. Come Saturday.